This is your personal trainer, your personal vocabulary trainer. Vocabulary is the most time-consuming part of learning a new language. That's why we set our primary goal in developing the most time-saving vocabulary learning app on the market. The idea is that flashcards appear at a specific time on your screen while you're getting on with your daily business, working, surfing on the web, or browsing your social media platforms. You can integrate it into your daily life and it takes no extra time. To achieve the fastest retention of new vocabulary based on scientific research, we've implemented learning methods which include visual representations, pronunciations by native speakers, examples in a sentence, and interactive learning where you have to recall the word. Continuous repetition ensures that new words are stored in the long-term memory before you forget them. And like every good trainer, our app will motivate you to learn more vocabulary by prompting you with flashcards throughout the day.